Right. Good.
Yay. Okay.
Hey everybody, this is
Hey
Suresh.
guys.
I'm here with Bhavna, our co-host for
Oh.
Daily Scopes. How are you doing? Before we get started, I want to play a SEO song. Have you heard about SEO song? There is a rapper, and he sings about SEO. This is
Yeah. I'm saying shit, SEO rapper. Back again. What you doing? Let's talk about page rank. All important page rank. You know what I'm saying? Just back again, so tell me what you think. New song.
Somebody said you look so hot.
I wanna get the list and not in the top position. If you pay attention, I can show you how to get it. Start with your content. I done said it before. 250 words per page, you're good to go. Add headers and titles, cross links are vital. Make it easy to read. Use list items. Keyword rich is how it's meant to be. Make sure you have good keyword density. Double check your navigation. Make sure your links function. My order of importance, I call it link sculpting. Unique meta information for all the pages. Trying to make sure that you cover all the bases. All text mix should include key phrases. Make sure you put the links in the
So
right
until people come in, we are just going to play.
You should be chasing great content and good.
Have you listened to this?
Make people look to the site you created. To do that, you gotta have great information.
Cold Suresh. What is his name? Harshit Gowda.
Charles Lewis. I tell you.
Who is the pretty woman? Who is the pretty woman?
I'm Bhavna.
His name is Charles Lewis.
Charles Lewis.
He's got like ton of videos about SEO, rap song about SEO. So, all right, how are you doing, everybody?
Hey guys, how are you doing?
So we need some response. How many people are there?
15.
50.
15, yeah.
Can you respond where you're from? And we are going to talk about SEO best practices. But before that, we want to know a little bit about yourself. Can you talk a little bit about yourself? Where are people watching from? Of course, we don't mind hearts.
Yeah, please keep the hearts coming.
Atlanta?
Atlanta.
You
All right.
guys, you guys from Atlanta?
We are from Bangalore, India.
Kankipati. Suresh, you know me? You are asking.
Okay. Who?
Akul Bhavani. Kankipati.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Somebody from New York, India.
Very good. Thank you. Welcome.
Low volume somebody. Can you guys?
So,
Sola.
how do we sound now? Is that
Jay.
fine? Volume is fine. Give some hearts if volume is
Volume
fine.
is fine. Can
No?
you
Okay.
hear us?
Hello. Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
So good. We are going to discuss today about SEO.
SEO.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, first I want to know what is a search engine.
Okay. Before I answer that question,
Okay.
we are going to do daily scopes, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what are the subjects that we are going to talk about?
Probably something like SEO and then PPC and then some days we'll talk
Content.
about social media,
Right.
content and some analytics.
So complete digital marketing. We have a calendar for every day.
And a little about ourselves also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are here at Web Marketing Academy. We give training for digital marketing, and we thought it would be nice. We can talk about search engine optimization. This is our first day. I mean, we've been scoping every day, but this is the first day on a daily scopes. We are going to answer your questions. Yes.
Kankipati. Suresh, I need to be your guest for customer experience.
Customer experience. Okay, we'll have that. But where is he from?
Kankipati from India, I think.
Okay,
From India.
sure. So we're going to take your information. By the way, if you want to hashtag daily scopes, please hashtag daily.
Please use the hashtag Dailyscope and whatever questions, suggestions you have, you can hashtag. You can tweet us about it, and we'll probably come back
Yes.
tomorrow, and you can catch us on the Dailyscope tomorrow, and
Yeah.
we'll answer your questions.
So if we, even after the show, if you can do the hashtag, we're going to hashtag take that one and answer the
probably-
question first,
Yeah.
and then we are going to continue.
Continue with tomorrow's show.
We need your suggestions. Okay, this is a new show, so we appreciate your suggestions. And
Absolutely.
yes.
Please keep the suggestions coming. Please keep the questions coming. We're open to everything.
Alright. So, yes.
Yeah. So as I was asking, what is a search engine? I mean, I'm sure a lot of us don't know what search engine is.
Okay.
So, or probably how search engine came into picture.
Okay. Good. So, initially, when there is a video called History of Internet.
Okay.
So we understand a little bit about history of the internet, how it all got started.
Okay.
So if you go to YouTube and search for history of internet,
History of internet, guys. History
yeah.
of internet.
you will get some how it all started. Then fast forwarding that, it was basically started in the US Army, and then it came for businesses, and then it became there was directories. There was no search engine that time. You know why we call it this? We call it browsing those days.
Yeah.
Because there was no search engine. You cannot search.
Yes.
Right? So it was only directories. That means there was a directory called DMOS where if you want to find a website information,
Okay.
you'll have to go to continent, for example, Asia. You click on it, you get a list of countries. You
Okay.
click on India. Then you click on
So
states.
are you telling these days what we have as just dial and others are actually the concept of directories?
Yes, it's somewhat like yellow pages,
Okay.
like how we
Okay.
So that is how it was in the early stages.
Okay.
So if I want to find information, I go step by click, and it's browsing. I cannot just search. There was no Google at that time.
Yeah.
Okay. Then there was Altavista. That was a search engine. Lycos was a search engine before Google.
Okay. So what was the first search engine that came?
See, first there were several other search engines before Google, but
Okay.
Google became the biggest one.
Most
and the
popular one. Okay.
Because it can organize the entire World Wide Web.
Okay.
Alright? So, yes. Are you guys with me?
Any questions?
Yes.
Or let's do this. We'll probably jot down the questions and we'll answer them in the last.
Yes.
That should do, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll move on.
Okay. So then came Google.
Okay.
And for those who want to know how Google started, just go to Google and search for how search works. There is a video.
How search works.
And there is a video. It explains about how search works. Okay?
That's Matt Katz.
Matt Katz, yes. He's the cop. Cop for Google.
Google ko.
My name is Matt Katz.
Okay, what's
I'm
this
an
video?
engineer at the quality group at Google, and I'd like to talk today about what happens when you do a web search.
This video, watch
What
it.
you can understand is that when you do
This
a web
is
search,
how a
you
search
aren't
engine
actually
works.
searching the web. You're searching Google's index of the web,
Okay.
or at least as much
Too
as Google.
far.
Huh?
Too far.
Too far. Well, we can zoom in. Actually, we can zoom in if you want to. Hold on. But this is a lengthier video. Okay? I would recommend you guys watch it.
Go to YouTube, search for Matt Katz's video on
How
how
search works.
how search works, and you can probably take a look at it. And if you have any questions, get back to us.
Correct.
That's
Okay? So if we play, we have lots of other content that we want to cover.
Sure.
Alright.
So
You understand this was in 1996, Google came in, and the way it works is in simplify this video to simplify, it does three things. It's a software, it does three important things.
Yes.
One, it goes and crawls the entire World Wide Web,
Websites,
which is
okay.
around 80 trillion pages.
Oh my God.
So it goes and crawls,
Okay.
and then what it does, it brings all those 80 trillion pages, it takes a picture
Okay.
and stores it in the data center.
Okay.
And when somebody searches,
Mm-hmm.
this crawler, this is known as crawler or
Okay.
robot.
Okay.
So this crawler will go to the data center,
Okay.
finds out which is the most relevant website, and
Okay.
shows us the result. That is how search works.
Okay. So you're saying I enter a keyword, and that keyword.
That crawler will go
no.
to
The saved
data center. It is not
Okay.
live. It
Okay.
goes to the data center.
Saved data, and then it gives me the results from there.
Yes, but how would Google decide out of this 80 trillion pages which page to show up in the result?
Okay.
So
That's
that
the question.
that is nothing but the Google algorithm. That's formulas.
Okay.
Every day Google has got
Okay.
some formulas.
Okay.
But a good place to start is this. Google Webmaster Guidelines. Google Webmaster
Webmaster
Guidelines. So, here. Webmaster Guidelines. It's got basically all the it gives guidelines for design and quality. So this is a good
Yes.
place to start.
So what is exactly Webmaster Guidelines?
So Webmaster Guidelines is nothing but when you build a website and if you want to do search engine optimization, you start here.
Okay, so,
So it
these
gives-
are some of the guidelines that I have
Correct.
to follow to rank myself on the search engine.
Correct.
Okay, perfect.
So this is where you start.
Okay,
It's a good place to start.
okay.
Search if you want to get into.
So these are some guidelines given by Google
Yes, officially from Google.
from Google. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So what is search engine optimization? Is nothing but, see, search engine optimization is overutilized word.
Yes.
It's been
absolutely.
quite some time and it is abused,
Yeah.
right? So initially it was about page rank,
Keywords
and keywords.
or meta tags.
Yes, meta keywords.
Meta keywords.
So it was, people started to utilize it and over abuse it. So then Google said, you guys are doing so much of things, we are going to come up with everyday formulas. Now what can you do?
Okay. Now there's a problem.
Yes. So that is why Google came up with this algorithm every day. But however, there are some basic guidelines that we need to follow.
Okay.
Okay. So
So these are some base guidelines.
yes,
Other than these, you have something changing every day.
yes.
Okay. Perfect.
But how do you know if Google changes or updates the algorithm?
I Google.
No.
Simple.
You can Google that one too,
Yeah.
but there needs a site to go to.
Okay.
Google official Webmaster Central blog is where you go. Okay.
Google official.
It's a mouthful.
Okay, Google's official blog.
Yes, Google's Webmaster Central blog.
Okay.
So,
That's
Webmaster Central blog.
Google's Webmaster Central blog.
Yes. So there they give up latest updates. What is happening? See? This is where you go. Google Webmaster Central blog to get updates.
Okay.
Okay? Every day they post something. So ranking in mobile results changes. Everything you get it here.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
So this is how you keep yourself updated about SEO.
Correct.
Right?
Correct. Now, see, we have to understand. We got an understanding of how search works,
Yeah.
and we got some guidelines,
Yes.
right? And where to go for updated ones.
Okay.
But search engine optimization is completely changed from how it started
Yeah,
and
from
where
how-
it is
Yes.
now. So before it was search engine optimization is you optimize a website using some keywords,
Mhm.
and then they changed into various factors came into place. Like for
Okay.
example, you have a good title, you have a good description,
Okay.
you have a good URL structure. Like this thing.
So what does this say?
So it should be like there should not be numbers, question mark in the URL
Oh
structure.
yes, and it's a very lengthy,
Lengthy.
URL.
Nobody would
So you
understand.
customize the
Exactly.
URL.
So those are some of the guidelines in order to bring up in the ranking.
Okay.
But most importantly,
Okay.
now it is all about solutions or answers.
Solutions. Okay,
Okay,
interesting.
before it was all people started to misuse. Now it
Yeah.
is all about answers. Why do we go to Google?
Find answers.
Simple.
Okay.
So you have a problem.
All you do is
You
give
have a-
answers.
Yes, you have a problem.
Okay.
That is why you go to Google.
Absolutely.
Every Google search is a problem.
Yes.
Now, if you can provide answers or solutions, that is now SEO,
Ah, now I get it.
right?
Now I get it.
So, and because now the Google search itself has changed.
Yes.
Now you search using voice, right? Now we are not using. Maybe we are using the phones and
we
this
use
thing.
our phones,
Right.
tablets, and
And
whatnot.
what it says, okay Google. That's
Yes.
what it says.
Okay.
So you say, okay Google, tell me where is the nearest place for beer.
Yeah.
Okay, so it gives answers. So
Answers.
keep that in mind. If you provide answers to the users,
Okay.
that is what good search engine
So
optimization is.
also, different mediums work differently, right?
Exactly. So see, it's about content.
Okay.
How can you give answers?
Okay.
In either in text, you write a blog post about it and optimize it,
Yeah.
right? And it's about images.
Images,
It's about videos.
videos.
So you provide. So you need to understand. See, for example, I'll give you an example. I want to make Chettinad chicken or South Indian chicken.
Okay, that's Hyderabadi chicken.
Chicken, yeah. So in that, what answer would be good for you?
I would like a yummy.
Yeah, but what kind of content would be good for you? Can I give a recipe or can I give a video? Which one is better?
I would like a video.
Exactly. So you need to understand the query.
Okay.
So for that particular thing, if you give answers in the format of video, that is much
Got a
more.
question. What do you have to say about integration of search in Google? Yeah.
Integration of
Search and Google.
Search?
Integration about search and Google.
What I didn't
What
get.
would you have to say about the integration of search and Google?
Check it out. I didn't understand the question.
Question.
Google now.
Please
Search and
Google
Google now.
Google now.
Google now.
Yeah. So Google Now is also part of search.
Yeah.
So now it is all about customization, personalization.
Yes, absolutely.
Right? So Google Now, if what you do is, it gives me, now for example, it alerts me on the way there is traffic.
Yeah.
8 o'clock there is traffic.
Yeah, on the way to my work and there's
Yes,
traffic.
it alerts me.
Yes.
Right? See, again, that is also providing me answers.
Answers, yeah.
Right?
That's Google now.
Yes. So it understands based on this thing. So everything is, think like a valuable answer or solution.
So basically you want to give out information.
Information that is
Useful to the users. Okay. Perfect. Got
So
it.
that is what it is today. That is what it is now.
Okay.
It has changed from
Just-
various things.
Yeah.
So it was only text. It was only
Yeah.
web page. Now you need to
You
give
have-
all formats,
Yeah, you have
You have to
images, you have
optimize for-
infographics,
which is
you
known
have
as universal
SEO.
or blended search.
Okay.
Right. So for example, I am searching for how to make South Indian
Dishes.
chicken. Okay. You see,
Yes.
right there is answer. Not even going to the website.
Yeah.
So this, where is it taking from? It is taking from
Cooking
cookingchannel.tv. Right? They are providing the best answer, so they take it. And then you see videos, and then you get the text. See, now it is moved all this because of the search query. Now, if I search for how to make, if I take South Indian chicken, it's a different thing,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
See images,
Usually have videos first, and then we have images, and then we have the text information.
right?
Okay.
Okay, so it is completely changed. So now, there are, if you want to do SEO, understanding the guidelines is one
Okay.
thing,
Okay.
and then there are some principles from let's say there is on-page optimization which you do in your site.
Okay.
There is off-page optimization. For example,
Yeah.
if you go sign up for Facebook, it will ask you for
Some information.
some information and website.
Yeah.
So it is a link from Facebook to your site.
Okay.
So that also you need to do.
Okay. So what is exactly off page?
Off page is you do various things in your website that is on page.
On page.
The things that you have no control, sometimes you have no control, and social media sites and other places you get a link.
So in simple words, off page is what has been spoken about you
Yes.
online.
Yes.
Your online reputation.
Exactly.
Or-
Yeah, so it's a recommendation,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Okay.
So it considers both of the things and then says. So I'll give you a simple example how to do on page optimization.
Yes.
Okay, there are like 10 steps in how to do.
10 steps for on page SEO.
Yes.
Okay.
There's more, but I'll give you some basics.
Okay.
Now, first of all, you need to do keyword research.
Keyword research.
Like,
Absolutely.
I need to find out how many people are searching for South Indian chicken.
Okay, and how do we find out that?
How do we find out that? Anybody answering? How many people are now?
How to
8.
find keywords.
How anybody got answers? I will tell you, but anybody want to jump in?
Answer. How to find keywords.
Okay, by the way, if we are not interacting with us, we will stop because we don't want to.
I know, we don't want to
we
take a
don't-
class where we're just educating ourselves.
Right.
So guys, you better answer.
Yeah, either,
Tell
so
us.
if you are listening, either tap or do
Keyword
something.
plan.
Keyword planner.
Very good.
Perfect.
Perfect. So that is one tool. Okay. So people who are watching, please let us know you're watching. at least give some hearts so that we know that we are.
Get the hearts coming.
Yeah, it's not because we want more hearts.
Yeah.
At least we need
but
to
at
know.
least we know you like it.
Yeah, it's not necessarily liking it. At least we
At
know.
least you know you're
We are watching it. Otherwise, we just
Talking to ourselves.
Right. So, are we getting some hearts?
Yes.
Alright, good. So, the more hearts you give, the more we are going to continue. If this stops hearts, then we will also
we'll
stop.
stop talking as well.
Simple.
Yeah.
Alright.
So, yeah,
Because
let's-
we want to give
Keep
you
it
value.
up.
Google suggest.
Huh?
Google
Google
Suggest.
Suggest. That's
Google
another
Suggest.
tool. Good.
Very
See, we want to provide actually value to you. Okay. If you find it valuable, only then you give hearts.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. If anything that we say makes sense to you, then give hearts.
Yes. Good. Alright. So how do we know that how many people are searching for this? So as is a recipe, let us say.
Okay.
So I need to find out how many people searching. Now
Okay.
how do we do that? That is a keyword research. That's the entire process.
Process. Okay, so
Okay.
that's the first step
Step.
of SEO.
Yes. So
Okay.
keep in mind, we are going to optimize only page by page.
So you
It's
have
not the entire whole
you have
website.
like a lot of pages in a website. So every page I need to
Yes.
do my
Because the
SEO.
theme is different. For example,
Okay.
we both want to buy Nike running shoes.
Okay. Yes, I want to buy.
So, if Google takes you, or if you go in searching for Nike running shoes,
Okay.
and you go to Flipkart or Amazon, and it ends up in men's shoe section, Nike, is that relevant to what you're searching for?
No.
You want women's running shoe.
Absolutely.
So that means that page is supposed to be optimized for women's running
Women's
shoe.
Oh, I get it.
And this page should be optimized for men's Nike running shoes.
So every theme of a page has to have its own SEO.
Correct.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
So whose phone is that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so every page is a theme based page. So for that I need to do research. I need to find out people are searching girls running shoe or women's running shoe.
Women's running shoe. Yeah.
Got it? So page by page we are going to go.
Okay.
So when you go page by page, you need to understand for that page what is the keyword that we need.
Okay.
So how do we find out? Now, number one is you ask your friends and family, because what you search, I search, and the way you search is different than the way I search.
Okay.
So we need to get opinion from
Friends and family.
friends and family. So you identify the page, find out friends and family. What do you search? So that is number one.
Okay.
Number two, you go to Google and search for that
Okay.
keyword. So you got some keywords from your friends and yourself, and
Okay.
you do a Google search.
Okay.
So, for example, we are giving digital marketing training, right?
Yeah.
So, can I optimize for digital? Why not? Right?
Why not?
Or, okay,
Yeah,
let us do
I guess
digital
so.
marketing. Why not we can do optimize for digital marketing? Because it is very general.
Okay, it's a generic term. Okay.
So this is not relevant. People who are searching for digital marketing are looking for information. That is why Google puts this one.
Okay.
So then, can I compete with Wikipedia?
Guess not.
Okay. So then I have to be specific to my industry, to
Okay.
specific to what I provide.
Okay. So what you're saying is, do not use generic
Exactly.
keywords
Correct.
in your keyword research.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
So I need to be specific. For example, Nike women's running shoe size 7 and maybe black.
Okay, now taking the digital marketing example. So how would you, come up a keyword with a keyword for
Yes, so I would go for digital marketing training in Bangalore.
Okay,
Okay.
location specific.
So that is much more.
Is that very important?
Yes, because
Okay, but-
we are giving only in Bangalore. If
Okay.
somebody from Delhi is asking, are we
Okay.
having an office there?
No.
So if we are not providing answers for them. What is our objective?
Yeah, to give relevant answers. Okay, so got it.
Okay.
So,
So
yeah.
then you do a search and then find out, and then you start to do. So now you know digital marketing training is something that. Then you do slowly. It is known as suggest, Google suggest or
Google
instant.
suggest.
So you do slowly digital marketing training, and you start off with A. What is coming?
So you type in digital marketing training and then you type A.
So you get what? See, training and courses. Can I take this?
Training and courses. No.
Maybe. Okay, maybe not. So and then you start a B. Can I take this?
Yeah, I can take
Of
back.
course. See, so this is research.
Okay.
So you-
use Google Suggest or Google Instant for research of keywords.
Yes. See,
Okay.
Google digital marketing training courses. Can I take it? Of course. I can add Bangalore, of
Yeah.
course, to it.
Yeah.
But this is relevant.
Okay.
Certification.
Certification is relevant as
Yes.
well.
But courses online, is it relevant?
No.
Why not?
Offline. We are offline.
So we are not providing online. So that I will not take.
Okay.
Got it?
So this can be used for research, also to eliminate some of the
Excellent.
keywords.
Excellent.
Okay.
Okay, so that is, you got 3 points now,
Yes.
right? And then
Yes.
the fourth one is, you enter digital marketing training,
Okay.
and if you go all the way down, you
Okay.
see some suggestions.
Search is related.
Related.
Okay. Google related,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So what do we see here?
So from here you can pick up some of them.
Okay. So what?
So digital marketing training courses,
Courses.
accreditation, maybe if we are free.
Yeah.
No.
Training Institute. Training in Bangalore. Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yes.
So now we got,
The step.
yes.
So we do keyword research one using the keyword planner, and then
No, keyword planner comes at the end.
end. Okay, so
So you
first
do all
we
this-
talk to the family and friends, come up with some keywords, and then we use the Google Suggest.
Yes. And then related.
Okay.
And then finally you go to Google Keyword Planner.
Planner.
So this is a tool. I'm not going to open up because it's a tool that will provide you. You put all those keywords.
Okay.
It will give you search volume.
So we come up with some keywords now. So what we're going to do, these keywords we write it down,
Yes.
and then we use these keywords in the keyword planner
Correct.
for
looking at to finalize on those, you might have the 20 keywords, but
yeah,
you
imagine
can
I have 50 keywords.
in a page you can optimize maybe 1 or 2.
So are you asking me to come down from 50 to 2?
Exactly.
Okay. And how do I do that?
So that is where Keyword Planner is going to help.
Okay.
So in this planner, what you can do is you can put all the keywords. It will tell you how many people searched in the last 1 month.
Wow.
So I'll
Last
take
1 month.
1000 people are searching. So let me take that.
Okay, so you see which keyword is doing better.
Yes.
That is what we see, right?
Correct.
Okay. So what all analysis does it give us?
It gives a lot of things. Don't worry about other things.
Okay.
Only that you take.
Okay, so we just see how much it's searched for,
Correct.
basically, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Is
I
there
guess, I guess this will help to participate in online Google marketing challenge.
Yes, there is a challenge that is going recently. Google is.
Oh.
Yes. So they have competition and other things.
Good. If
Okay.
you guys want
Before
us
Google
to talk
key-
about
be-
anything, please
yeah,
let
before
us know.
Google Keyword Planner, we can use Google Trend also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is, who's that?
Oh, sorry, it's wrong.
Okay, home site.
Probably a student.
Okay.
Okay. So you got it. So
Yes.
this is the
Yes.
first thing. So
Okay.
we finalized. Let's assume we finalized on 1 or 2 keywords.
Okay.
Now I have to take this and I have to go to to our web page which I want to optimize.
So it's a single page that we're
Correct.
optimizing for.
Correct.
Okay.
So I take that web page and I need to optimize. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with the title using that keyword.
Okay, we're going to come up with a title
Right.
using the keyword.
So it should be long tail. When I say long tail, it should be digital marketing training Bangalore because digital marketing
So
shop
it should be a lengthy
4 words or
keywords.
3 or 4 words
and not a 2-word keyword. Okay.
because that becomes general.
Yeah, so generic keywords are nothing but 1 or 2 words.
Correct.
So you keep a long tailed keyword which is
Yes.
4 to 5.
Yes.
5
3 to
3 to
3
4
or more.
words. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So now you're taking that and you're going to use it in the title. This is the title of the page.
So when we search, the highlighted
Yes.
portion
So
is
see,
the
this
title.
is so this is the title
Okay.
and this is the description. So you're going to use this one in the title.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what will show up in the Google results.
Okay.
All right. So where is that? So that if you click on the site, you will see it in the browser here. See?
Okay, that's
Yes.
the title.
Yes. And if you right click it and view page source, that is the title. You see the title?
Yes. How to use the Google keyword
Yeah,
planner
exactly.
to
Okay. You can't see this one, but it's a HTML.
code.
Okay. So that is first way to optimize.
Okay, perfect.
And then you use that one, maybe other keywords in the second description.
So we have 2 keywords. the one that is really important goes into the title.
And
So
the
you-
next one is
So
success.
is it compulsory to use the title?
Yes, in the
keyword
title, definitely.
Okay, so it's recommended to
Yes.
use the most important keyword in your title.
Correct.
Okay. What's the second?
Second, you use some good description. These 2 lines are the description.
So this description that comes on the search engine
Correct.
results page.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the third one is the URL structure. See, this is the URL structure. You
So
see?
yeah, tell me something about the URL structure.
See.
So how do you use keywords even in the URL structure?
You can, but it should be relevant. You see, quick product university. How to use Google keyword planning tool.
Okay. So is that the keyword?
Yes.
That is the keyword, right?
So it's not the keyword. That is how you will have to have it.
Okay. Okay. So when somebody searches, does Google even
Sure.
look at this?
Yes.
It
So
follows
it takes
this?
combination of all these.
Okay.
See, that is what you see.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Got it. So
So
what's the next step?
then you have it in the page itself. So you have around 50 keywords. Some of the keywords might be close.
Okay. So you keep those keywords.
Yes. So you can use it in the title, in the header, and in the content, in this thing. Everywhere you are going to use it.
Okay. So how much do you recommend?
There's no like that. So it should make sense.
It should make sense.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to like stuff in.
Yeah, that is
10
keyword
times,
stuffing.
then it is
No.
not.
It should make sense.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So this is.
So are you telling me that even if you use your keyword once, you can search? I mean, you can.
It depends upon the competition.
Okay. It depends.
So
on
it is not only taking this.
Okay.
Imagine it has got all the algorithm. It takes all the algorithm and puts it in there.
So
It's not.
what are some of the things that?
It looks at the links. It looks at how long the domain name is registered.
Oh.
So there's a lot of factors in it.
Okay.
Okay. But these are some of the main factors.
Practices for.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So question. No questions. Okay. Again, we reminding you. Are you watching? If you're watching, give
Please
some
answer to us.
Yeah.
Are you watching?
answer it in the form of hearts.
Hearts.
Okay.
Any hearts coming?
Alright, so I think we did enough today.
It's
Yes.
coming.
Okay? So if you don't ask, we are not going to answer. So
So
ask
yeah,
me some
if you
questions.
have any questions, please ask. Otherwise,
Yes.
any questions?
So Bhavna, tomorrow what are we going to discuss?
Okay, tomorrow
We'll do PPC or
yes, we will do social media tomorrow.
social media?
We'll do social media tomorrow, and I have something really interesting in social media tomorrow for you guys.
Okay.
So guys, tune in and we.
Same time.
Yes, to same time, and you can get your questions about social media, and we'll answer to you at the end. And if you have any questions, please
Yes.
write, email it to us, and we can answer them as well.
Correct.
Suresh will give you the email ID.
Okay. Yes. And this is the happening place.
Yeah, Web Marketing Academy Facebook page is the happening place.
So everything we posted here. So please come and leave your comments and questions here,
Absolutely.
or the hashtag.
Yeah,
Periscope.
please tweet to us about your questions,
Okay, then there's a question.
suggestions.
This is inappropriate for now. I just need one reason. Why should I join WMA?
That I'll let you do the research. We are not asking you to come and join, is it? We are just giving resources. It's
Yeah.
up to you. Maybe Bhavna, you can say, why did you come and join the marketing academy?
For me, WMA was an instant click. I don't know why I joined WMA. Okay, let me give you this. Just go and search for probably digital marketing course in Bangalore and see what comes up in the Google, and go see the reviews and go see Suresh's page and tell me, after reading all this, do you want to join WMA or not?
So, and
So-
see,
I did that.
You
Okay.
did that? And
Mohsin Sheikh.
so what do you feel? I mean, what did you go through?
okay, see, now the whole objective is not people to come and join WMA. Keep that in mind.
Yeah, I mean, this is not.
We are not even
we're
talking
not
about
doing this because you have to
Right.
come and join
We are not,
WMA.
right.
We just want to
Educate.
educate. We just want to talk about digital marketing.
We
We're
love
really
digital marketing.
enthusiastic about.
The best. And I want to join.
Okay, good. So, by the way, if you join also, you'll have to wait for 2 months.
Yeah,
Already
our
full.
next batch,
Already
our next
full.
batch starts only after 2 months.
And we take only 8 to 10 students.
But you guys can come here and do a Periscope with us.
Yes.
We have no problem with that.
Yeah, you come and talk to people.
Yeah,
interact
absolutely. You
with
want
the
to do
students.
podcasts, you want to do Periscope, you can always come and do it with us.
Yeah. And by the way, we don't advertise also.
Yeah, we don't advertise. Yeah, please
Never.
go.
You'll never
Please
find advertisement.
go and search on Google search or anywhere. We don't advertise for anything.
Yes.
You mean paid advertisement?
Yeah,
It
we
is.
mean paid advertising. I mean, obviously we would do SEO.
Right.
So, yeah.
Okay, so good.
So yeah, please
How was
write.
the session, Bhavna, the first session?
I loved it. I love Periscope. So I loved it. And another thing, what I want to say, if you have any suggestions and questions, please write in a mail to us, and probably you can give out the email ID.
So I would end up with some challenges for you.
Yeah, that
Okay.
should be interesting.
Okay, for your website, here are the few things that you do. We discussed today. First, go and sign up with Webmaster. So
Webmaster.
you're going to read through Webmaster guidelines. It's
Will
a
we
search
have some
concept.
questions
It is-
tomorrow?
Huh?
Will we have some questions
Yes,
tomorrow?
we will. Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
you better do your homework.
Yeah. So please go through this Webmaster guidelines, and then for your this thing, just do some searches. You will find it interesting. So do some keyword research
Okay.
by doing this
So
Google
use
search.
Google Instant, Google Suggest, Google Related, and use the keyword planner.
So this is what I would.
Okay.
And also one more thing that you might want to do. This is a little bit advanced. There is something called Search Console. Before it used to be Webmaster Tools.
Yes, yes.
Okay, this is where you get all the information if your website has got some problems and then everything.
So this is basic analytics of your
And
web.
it is not analytic. Yeah,
Okay.
you can get some idea whether the crawler come and crawl. So you can
Okay.
do some advanced things here, but I would not recommend if you're a beginner.
Okay.
But you can
So-
talk to.
So probably we can talk about this,
This
in the
later.
next session.
Yes. Next
Okay.
Monday we can.
Okay.
Next Wednesday we can talk about.
Okay, okay, perfect. So yeah, and so here's your
Yeah.
assignment.
Yes.
You better
So
do
this
it
is-
tomorrow.
So this is some of the challenges that I would. But I would also like you all to share.
Yeah, please do
So
share.
you share.
because
Swipe to the right
Yeah.
and click on
share.
share. Please do share it
And
with us.
share so that we can reach out to your friends, your family, and we can educate them as well. Okay.
So until tomorrow.
yeah, until tomorrow, same time, same place. We'll see you
Yeah.
tomorrow.
So the first
And
1
please
week.
tune in.
First 1 week we might have some
We
fluctuations.
might keep changing the topics.
Yes.
And you can write in to us if you want us to do any particular topic.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
Facebook.
Tweet to us about your questions, suggestions.
Yes.
And-
If you don't have questions, we.
My request to you is please take a class just on the introduction of digital marketing.
Introduction of. We'll do that one.
We'll do
Motion
that.
shape.
Absolutely. We'll do
We'll
it.
do that.
Same Mouse and Shake.
Sure.
Who was that?
Mouse and Shake. The previous one.
Mohsen. Oh, okay, Mohsen. We will do it. Probably
Yes.
we'll do it one
We'll
of
plan
the
on. Yes.
weeks. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. So yes, that is for our first day, by the way.
Yes.
So yeah, see you tomorrow then.
Yeah.
You
Okay,
better
I'm
tune in and give us the hearts. Bye bye.
Bye, guys. Yeah. Hold on like that.
How
All right. We didn't stop yet. All right, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.